Good morning, children. Children, this is your English class, and today I am going to tell about some insects. Have you seen insects? Tell me the name of some insects. Yes, ant is an insect. Then you tell another insect. Butterfly is the insect. Cockroach is the insect, and honeybees are an insect. So there are so many types of insects that we have seen. So among all these insects, which insect is very beautiful? Is it butterfly? Yeah, this is butterfly. So today I am going to tell about the early life of the butterfly. You know your chapter, and today I am going to teach you the early life of a butterfly, and it is your chapter name is a surprise to a surprise for preview. So you don't know what is surprise? What is the meaning of surprise? Surprise means something unexpected. Surprise means something unexpected. In another word also you can tell it astonishment. So who is this creepy? Have you seen the leaf worms? Have you seen leaf worm? See, I am showing you the leaf worm. These are the leaf worms, yes or no? What is its name? Can you say? Its name is caterpillar. Its name is caterpillar. So today I am going to tell about the early life of the butterfly. So what are these caterpillars? Coming to our story chapter, you open your book and you see your chapter, a surprise for creepy. Many small eggs are on a green leaf. Out come so many green eggs were opened one day, and out come so many green caterpillars. That means there were small eggs are there on a leaf. You have seen the leaf? Yes or no? So there are small eggs were there on a leaf, and one day many small caterpillars come out from these eggs. Then what happened? They were hungry. Do you know what is the hungry? Hungry means desiring for food. That means the small insects which came out from these eggs, they were hungry. They wanted to eat something. They were hungry of food. They desired to want to eat something. Then they were hungry. Creepy caterpillar. That means creepy is the name of a caterpillar. Creepy is the name of a caterpillar. Creepy caterpillar comes out of an egg. Creepy is also hungry. So creepy is also, this is, suppose we telling this is creepy. Suppose this caterpillar name is creepy. He also came out of this egg, and when he came out he felt hungry and he wanted to eat something. The caterpillar start eating the soft leaves. Creepy looks around. So there are so many other caterpillars were there. They all were hungry and they all were eating something. And Creepy, when she come out from the egg, and immediately she came out and he looked around. Around means he looked at his surrounding. Around means looked at his surrounding. He sees a big fat black yellow bee. So when he looked around, what did he see? He see a big fat black bee. So a bee, another insect. Bee is also another insect. And what is the sound of the bee? The sound of the bee is buzz. It goes buzz, buzz, buzz. That means the bee was making the sound buzz, buzz, buzz. It buzzes around the flower, and the bee was buzzing and flying around the flower. Creepy sees a tiny hummingbird. Besides the buzzing bee, the Creepy also sees the hummingbird. What is this hummingbird? Hummingbird means the world's smallest bird. The smallest bird of the world is called the hummingbird, and it has a long beak. What do you mean by beak? Beak means the body part through which a bird eats, makes the sound, that is the beak, and through its long beak it was eating the honey of the flowers, the nectar of the flowers. Some flowers have the honey, some have the sweet liquids are there, and this hummingbird eats the sweet liquid from these flowers. So, when caterpillar Creepy came out from the egg, he saw a big fat yellow bee, then he saw a hummingbird. The hummingbird has a long beak. It puts its beak into the flower. Creepy looks at it. That means the hummingbird was eating the nectar of the flower, the sweet juice of the flower, and Creepy looked at it because he was also feeling hungry, and he saw all around him all the creatures, they were eating something. What is the hummingbird eating? I am hungry. Who is thinking? Creepy is thinking. What is the hummingbird eating? Hummingbird क्या खा रहा है? I am also feeling hungry. Come on, Creepy, you must be hungry. Then he heard some sounds. Nearby, his friends are there. So many other small caterpillars were there. They called him. Come on, Creepy, you must be feeling hungry. Creepy eats a green leaf. Then Creepy, he saw other caterpillars also eating the leaf. He also started eating a leaf. He likes it, and the taste of the leaf was tasty. He likes the taste of the leaf. He crawled to another leaf. Crawl, you know, when the little children, they are crawling. Crawling means they are using their hands, their knees to move. That is the creeps. Crawl means creeps. They creeps. And the caterpillars, they creeps from one leaf to another leaf. Creepy eats one leaf after another. He eats and eats. All the caterpillars eat and eat. That means the small caterpillars, they were so hungry that started eating. They eat and eat. They started eating and eating. Now they are the small caterpillars. Then by eating so much things, slowly and slowly they grow up, they become big, they grow up and become big. They are long green caterpillars, then they become long green caterpillars. See, they become long green caterpillars like this. Now they become big caterpillars. They are so fat, they can move very well. That means when they eat so much, they grow, they become very fat, and they could not move properly. So they wanted to stay in one place. What did they do? The caterpillars make hard little house for them. When they become grown up, the caterpillars make the small house for them. That is the small hard house. And their house is known as cocoon. It is known as cocoon. What is the cocoon? Cocoon is the small little house made by the caterpillars, and they go inside the cocoons. So here all the caterpillars, they grow up and they all very fat. They could not move from one place to another. So what did they do? They made the little house for them, and they go inside the house and sleep there. They stay there for some time, and for some time they stay inside that house. One day Creepy gets up. They were asleep for a long time. So one day the Creepy, he woke up and he make a hole in the hard little cocoon, and it was covered by a cocoon. Now it was, when it grew, it was covered by a cocoon, and this hard house is known as the cocoon. One day Creepy got up, नींद उसका टूट गया, तो he wanted to come out. So what did he do? He make holes in his hard little cocoon. Cocoon means, hole means he made the opening. He made the opening in the cocoon. यहाँ पे opening बना लिया. So then he come out from this cocoon. From this cocoon he come out. He looks around. Now once again, one day he came out from a small egg. Now he come out from a cocoon. Here also he looks around. Creepy see many beautiful butterflies there. When he looks around, he saw so many small butterflies are there. Where are my friends? Where are my caterpillar friends? Oh my, how beautiful you look. I am not beautiful. Creepy was unhappy. He saw so many beautiful flowers, butterflies are there, and he thought, where are my friends? Here are the only beautiful butterflies are there. So I am not beautiful, but here all are looking very beautiful. And his friends listened it, heard what he was telling. The friends heard it. They told, no, Creepy, look at your wings. You are a beautiful orange and black butterfly. His friends told, no, Creepy, you look at your wings. See, you have the wings now, and you are also looks very beautiful. And your color is black, and your color is orange and black, and you are also looking very beautiful. Here we are, Creepy, we are butterflies now. Now the small butterflies called him, wake up, you see, we all become butterflies. So this is the story about the early life of a butterfly. So from this chapter, what do we learn? We learn that the caterpillars, these are the caterpillars, the early stages of a butterfly. From the larvae, these are also called the larvae. From these larvae, the butterflies come out. Got it? So when they were the younger, they become the caterpillars, and thereafter they turned into beautiful butterflies. This is all about your story, a surprise for Creepy. So now you have learned the story, you have heard the story. Now there are some important words are there which we have to learn. Now open your copy and write down the words what I am writing. First, what is the surprise? Then another word, caterpillar. Then what are the other new words? Hungry. Hungry, around. Whole. Hummingbird. Butterfly. Cocoon. Beautiful. These are some new words. You have to learn these words. What is the meaning of this word surprise? Surprise means that something unexpected. Something unexpected. And what is caterpillar? Caterpillar are the leaf forms. and bee. Fill to it. That means they need to eat. The fill to it. Around means it is surrounding. Here it is surrounding. Hole. What does it mean? Hole means an opening. Hummingbird. It is the world's smallest bird. This is a bird which is the smallest bird in the world, and you know butterfly, it is an insect. It is a beautiful insect. And what does it mean, cocoon? Cocoon means the little hard house made by a caterpillar. Then beautiful. Beautiful means pretty. I will write all these words and word meanings in your copy, and next period I will call the dictation and also ask the meaning of these words, and also we will go for reading test. Okay children, read the chapter thoroughly, and next class we will discuss about the question answer. First we will call the dictation, then word meaning, then we will go for the question answer. Thank you children.